Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing the Skull and Raven picture. I already laid down the white. I'm using white and black as opaque colors, and the rest are transparent candies. And I'm using the Chromolux paper. And as I said, I already laid down the full white, and I'm starting with the second stencil, which is the full black. Now comes the stencil step number 3, which is the dark gray. If you want to work with colors, you can, and you want to have like the brown skull colors, you can also use in this step the purple or the magenta, which I'm doing later in freehand. So you get like nice brown variations. This is now step number 4 with a normal gray. And now I'm using a light brown, which is like 90% yellow and 10% purple. So it gives it the nice skull tone. And now I'm gonna darken this a little bit freehand. So I'm using the magenta. And on this I'm going to do a layer of the light brown again. As you can see, it turns into nice brown tones. Now as a finish, I'm doing the highlight white. And I'm painting everything in full white. And as you can see here, in 3.5 minutes I've done a photorealistic skull. Now I'm doing some background for this. And I'm doing a flying raven or crow. So I'm going to need a light gray tone so I can put down the black stencil, which comes next. So it hasn't to be too dark. And this is now, it's a full black. So now I'm covering the the head of the raven, and I'm doing some freehand black for the feathers. So everything should be dark, but you should be able to see the structures that are in the bird. And now comes the final white. And there I'm trying to do like a full white on the beak and the eyes, and the rest I'm just doing a light grey. And also the tips of the feather of the outer wing I'm doing a little bit wider. And I'm making it a little bit darker in the back, so I have all the nice structure there, and still it's a black bird. Now I'm covering the whole raven, and as you can see, there's in this stencil they have the eye and some color in the bird's mouth. So I'm laying down this later, but now I'm covering also the skulls to do a quick background. Just done a shadow on the skull so that it's, as you can see, that's behind the other skull. Now I'm using just a piece of paper, tear it down, and I have like a nice horizon. So because I use now transparent colors, I need to lay down some white, because the transparent colors only works when they have a white background. And this is some wood or trees. And now I'm switching to black to lay down the shadow under the skulls. And now I'm taking a light blue. So it's nice because it's a complementary contrast. So you have the cyan blue and you have the orange tone skulls, and this is perfect so that they both colors, like they support each other, and it really pops out nicely as a color. This now was the light brown and the magenta again. Now I'm using like the grunge effect to add some more texture everywhere with the white highlight in the skull. I'm just adding a little bit of texture. You can also do this with the black or gray. and then I'm doing some highlights behind the skull, and then the picture is finished. Hope you'll enjoyed the video. You can subscribe to my channel, you can give it a thumbs up. Over 800 videos on my channel.